When most people think of trading on a crypto exchange, they think of buying and selling coins. But Bybit is actually a lot more than that. It's a complete crypto ecosystem. Let me explain exactly what I mean throughout this video. None of this is financial advice, but let's dive into this amazing platform. So this is Bybit, and of course, you guys probably know of Bybit as one of the trading powerhouses on CoinMarketCap that is constantly in the top 3, if not top 5. There is a reason for this, because they do have the deepest liquidity, usually the lowest fees, and of course, they have all of these extra features. Some of these I will explain for you today. But let's start off with the trading. So here we can see we have the option of trading on spot, futures, or options. And if we do just click on the futures here, we can see we get our trading terminal. Now, this is pretty standard. We can see Bitcoin is being affected by rate cuts right now from the Fed, which is absolutely fine. But yeah, we can also see that this is a fantastic trading platform in which, yes, it just looks slicker, more intuitive, and it's just friendlier to users than any other platform. And because they do have the options available here as well, this basically opens the door for every type of trader to be using Bybit. But if you do want to use Bybit and you are liking how it looks, then this is definitely the way to go about signing up. But what you can do with Bybit Sharks here, guys, is if you sign up with their affiliate link, what you get isn't just the trading stuff and normal stuff we'll explain throughout this video, but you can actually see you're going to get access to a Telegram group, which will allow you for free daily market analysis, curated news feed, trading discussion, a news trading terminal that's coming soon, and copy trading access to exclusive copy traders that make tons of money. So yes, this is definitely something that you want to be considering if you are looking at Bybit right now. And because they are partnered with Bybit here, guys, we can see this is their sign up page. You're actually going to get a 20% fee discount when you sign up, and you get exclusive benefits using their link. So definitely join this, because it's not just an affiliate link, guys. This is access for free simply by signing up to an exchange to one of the best communities out there, allowing you to get an edge in your trading. Our sponsor today is helping businesses scale their online privacy, and that sponsor is Proxy for You. If you're automating your business online, you should definitely be using a proxy, because Proxy for You is the best and most reliable proxy provider online with super reasonable and affordable prices that really just let you do whatever you want with the proxy, whether it's scraping, using bots, or just browsing the internet. So definitely check out Proxy for You in the description. And now let's get back to the video. Now, once you've signed up, go ahead and do that in the description. Now, what we can do is actually access other things on Bybit, such as Bybit Earn. Now, Bybit Earn is fantastic because this allows staking of different assets and allows you to take the assets you would normally just be hodling and actually earn from them in a flexible way. So normally with staking platforms, you do have to lock up your funds for like a year or something just to get the APY, and that can be a bit daunting. But what Bybit have is something called flexible staking. So if we were to click on Ethereum here, we can see we do have a flexible option here and a flexible/fixed option. So if we were to click on one of these, what we can expect is that yes, if we do pick the flexible option, we will still be earning passively on our funds, but we can actually have the ability to withdraw that at any time or unlock it. So this isn't like other staking platforms where you have to lock it up and just pray the market doesn't crash. Instead, you can actually just do it flexibly and still earn 9% beating inflation and just taking your USDT, throwing it in here. And if you do need to use it for something, you simply just unlock it very easily. And that is why Bybit is so good. Now, they do actually have other options here as well, in which, yes, if you do lock it up, you can do that too, in which, yes, you can get ridiculous APY. I mean, compared to other exchanges out there or DeFi platforms out there, USDT, you might get 16%, but here we can see you can get up to 555% APR, which I think is crazy high. And because it's Bybit, you can basically just trust that. And I do love that for USDT, and this is what I do often. But if you're still interested in that 9%, you can do that in a flexible way. If you are in a pinch and you need your money back, then you can unlock that very easily. Now, another really cool thing here is copy trading. So if you are a newer trader or you just don't have time to be looking at the markets all the time here, guys, what you can do instead is actually just check this out, because this is the copy trading classic on Bybit. What does this do? Well, basically, this allows you to copy the best traders out there automatically. So let's say we click on this trader here. What we can do is, one, see all of their stats and profit to make sure they're profitable, and then we can simply press copy here, in which, yes, it will follow them like you would normally do on social media, but when they take a trade, your account takes a trade as well, and then when they make profit, you make profit too. So this could be another option if you're not too interested in staking or something like that, or trading yourself. You could use Bybit to just copy the best traders out there, in which, yes, this guy, he has 19 followers, all right, he has been trading for 127 days on the platform. The stability here is 4 out of 5, so this is a pretty good rating. Here you can see that the ROI, or cumulative profit, is just going up over time. So a great example of how you can use Bybit to just copy other traders and make money passively. Now, they also have trading bots and Trade GPT as well here. So if you wanted a trading bot, what you can do is click on that and it will open up an interface here in which, yes, you can actually use a trading bot to trade any asset on here and take advantage of the liquidity. So what we can see here is if an asset is super volatile but doesn't necessarily crash into the abyss or go towards the moon, what we could do is set up a spot grid here. So that will set up a range in which, as long as the asset's in that range, you will be trading that asset automatically, refreshing your orders, and as volatility comes through, yes, you're going to be making the money from those trades just on auto. So you don't have to refresh your trades. A great way to passively earn. We also have a futures version of that, which is slightly more risky, but if you get the range right, you can make tons more, because yes, it is going to be on a leverage. Now, again, if any of this is actually pricking your ears up, then definitely do it through Bybit Sharks, because again, you do get access to those Telegram groups. So here, if we do actually go to Telegram here, we can see this is the Bybit Sharks Telegram group. As we can see, we have a bunch of different things here. So we have Shark Trades and Commentary. We have the paid group relays, which is basically free signals here simply from using their link. And we have KOL commentary as well, which is commentary from some of the best KOLs in trading out there. And they've basically compiled all of this information for you to basically have an edge on the markets. Here we can see the Fed cuts that we were just talking about. Yes, that is actually what's affecting the market right now. So if you were in Bybit Sharks, you would know that, because you would have got this message as it did come out. But another great thing about Bybit here is they do tons more than we've already talked about. We can see that, yes, they also have their own card. So this is going to allow you to spend crypto in your everyday life via MasterCard, but using their card, you can actually get 10% cash back. And yes, it's going to instantly convert your crypto into actual funds that you will be spending in your everyday life. So yes, this is actually a real use case for crypto, and it works fantastically. As well as that, you do get 100% rebates on partners such as Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, ChatGPT, and TradingView as well here. So yeah, tons of benefits, just spending money as you normally would, but doing it with your crypto instead with Bybit Card and getting tons of benefits for that. And that is not everything here, guys. They also have their own wallet, as you can see here, in which they do have 300,000 users. And this would work just like any kind of MetaMask wallet, but you get the Bybit benefits with that as well, which I think is fantastic. But you also get the Bybit benefits along with that. So yes, this is just great all round as an exchange, but more than an exchange, it is a platform that, yes, you can trade on normally, but it's actually super secure. It's something where you do have just unlimited options here in which you can use your money to make more money. And they also have a learn section here as well. If you are a bit newer to crypto, if we were to click that, we can see that, yes, they do have a bunch of different courses that you can take from beginner trading all the way up to advanced here. And this is something that I consider to be a massive benefit, simply because if you are a newer trader, this can be very complicated. These guys just explain it all for you. Really, they just cover every base. So this is great, but what I would say is, again, definitely use Bybit Sharks to sign up when you are signing up, guys, because it is just free benefit here. You get all of this stuff. You don't have to pay a dime. You're simply just using their affiliate link. So if you do want that extra, that's great. If you already have a Bybit account, then do not worry, because you can actually click this button on the bybitsharks.com website, and yes, they will switch your account to be affiliated with Bybit Sharks, and then you'll get access to the Telegram group. So great stuff there on that front. But that is going to be it from me, guys. Definitely check out Bybit Sharks in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video.